First at 6 this Wednesday, Horry County government is working on implementing a veterans court as a subdivision of its pre-existing drug court.
News 13's Claire Purnell spoke with 15th Circuit Solicitor Jimmy Richardson about how, if approved, 2 grants approved at last night's county council meeting could improve our criminal justice system.
Solicitor Jimmy Richardson said both of these additions to the county's drug court will aid in efforts to minimize repeat offenders, and neither of them will require any funding from taxpayer dollars.
The first is a counselor that will mostly work to combat gun violence. The position will focus on curbing recidivism by leading people through a program that enforces the consequences of gun violence and works to eliminate those repeat offenses. This position would be funded by state grants. The second addition is adding a veterans court as a subdivision of the pre-existing drug court division, which will get veterans who face criminal charges the care and help they need to stay out of trouble in the future. This will be funded by a reoccurring grant posted by the South Carolina Bar. Richardson made it clear that both programs will only require funding through private, federal, or state-level grants, and adds that $50,000 is a very low price for the outcome these programs could have.
They are reoccurring grants, so it would never be a situation where we as county taxpayers would have to pick those up.
Richardson says as long as there's been wars in combat, there have been mental health problems that need to be addressed after. And sometimes when those issues are not taken care of, veterans may end up getting in trouble with the law. But with Veterans Court, the goal is to correct those issues.
All of that, if not corrected, leads to recidivism. And we talk about revolving doors, we talk about, all of these things, but it's our attempt to build up a person to where they don't necessarily see crime as a way of living life.
Richardson says he expects Veterans Court to be up and running before 2024. Count on us to keep you updated. Reporting in Conway, Claire Purnell, News 13.